Scores of Stanford students use ChatGPT on final exams, survey suggests. So how about that? We say, oh, what is the actual impact on academia? Because that seems to be the most immediate threat, where adoption is banana town, where everyone is like, because you know how it spreads like wildfire in the university crowd.
Oh yeah,
it's like when Facebook first started.
Yeah.
It just, university crowd is so social and sharing. And
have you tried this?
Done. It's over. Yeah. Have you tried? Done. It's over. And so now we actually have some numbers that suggest that a ton of people are actually already utilizing this and willing to admit it. So there was I don't want to say study, what is it? A survey. And what they were looking at and asking about specifically, this is via the Stanford Daily, what was the ChatGPT use in the fall quarter of 2022 finals? We're talking about final assignments and exams. And this is who's willing to admit it. 17% said yes and 83% said no. So first of all, yeah, it's anonymous and whatnot, but how many people are really going to admit it? I think you can put a few more points on yes. And this is a brand new technology, and you have close to 20% of people already using it for their final assignments. Their life, their livelihood, their future depends on such things. And they're like, yeah, ChatGPT is going to be better than me. Or is it some version? They use ChatGPT a little bit and then make their modifications to it. If you use ChatGPT to assist you with your final fall quarter assignments and or exams, to what extent did you use it? And this is the answer from those that responded. 59.2% said brainstorming, outlining, forming my ideas. Others said it answered multiple choice questions for me. ChatGPT should go to Jeopardy right now and win it. That's what ChatGPT should do. How about that for a marketing campaign? If Microsoft is going to spend 10 billies, you got to throw ChatGPT on Jeopardy or make it answer what it would just dominate, right? It wouldn't lose. It wouldn't. Would it even get a question wrong? No. How
Probably
nuanced
not.
could you make your questions to try to trip it up?
You can't fool it.
Daily double. It would have to decide how much to wager. I don't know if you're familiar with Jeopardy, but anyway, 7% of people said ChatGPT actually submitted written material with edits.
Wow.
So they just straight up submitted the material. Good on those people for at least answering in a transparent way. And then 5.5% submitted the material without edits. Wow. So the 7%, they went in and made a few edits. 5.5% just said, I'm busy. Send that baby. Yeah, A+. Send that baby out. Unbelievable. So now in academia, they're discussing the idea of an honor code system, or adjusting their honor code to have some segment in there for tools like this. Oh, baby, it's about to get squirrely.